What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. Today is a proud day. I'm happy to present to you this BMW M3 Competition that I just finished wrapping in Vvivid Colorfusion Stealth Cosmic Blue. This color, I honestly knew this was gonna look good, and this was like my favorite car that I was looking forward to, and it's the last wrap of the year. So what's today's December 14th or something like that. Yeah, so last wrap of the year, I have training starting tomorrow, and this car is ready to go out. This is a ton of work, okay? So this is the last part of the series, the three-part series of the videos. I have the intro one to show you around the vehicle, so if you haven't checked that one out, I'll put a link up in the top corner there for you. But this is the finale, okay? So this is, I'm gonna take you for the grand tour of all that I've done, and I've wrapped a lot on this thing. This is actually a lot more work than I thought it was going to be. From bumper alone, took me, I don't know, 7-8 hours, something like that. I don't know, it was a lot. Way underestimated this front bumper, especially because I'm using PPF. It's a little bit different. There are some more limitations to it. So I've set up some inlays. There are quite a few actually. I actually didn't think it was going to be as many as I imagined, but whatever. Another thing here is these things, I'm interested to see if they stay because the film is extremely like hydrophobic. So the material, because this is PPF and because it's matte finish, nothing wants to stick to this thing. So getting the seams to work is incredibly difficult. And I have a YouTube video on how to get the seams to work on this type of material. So if you end up using something like this, you're gonna wanna learn how to do that properly because getting the seams to stick is extremely tedious, difficult. It's a lot more work, okay, than gloss. The gloss one, easy enough. It sticks a lot better, but the seams on the matte finish or the satin finish or stealth, whatever you want to call it, much more difficult. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you for a walk around of this entire vehicle. Customer's actually on his way here to pick it up, so it's just kind of like last 30 minutes or whatever. Let's get this done and show you all that I've done. So let's get the camera off the tripod. So I wish I could get this thing outside. It's winter. It's nasty outside in our parking lot here, and it's freezing cold, and on top of that, it's dark, so whatever. I'll get the customer to send me some pictures during the day outside, but let's walk around this thing. And again, if you guys haven't subscribed and you like the videos, feel free to subscribe. It always helps. So walk around this thing and it shifts from like a black to a blue. Okay, there's not a whole lot else going on with this material. It's like it's crazy. I love this shot right here. Okay, let's just pan that. That satin metallic finish is gorgeous. Like, this car shows it really well. Okay, so what I've done, sorry, I have the sniffles, got a cold from my kids. So what I've done here is down here on the very bottom, if you have watched the first video, this was all gloss black. Customer didn't like it like that, so I wrapped that to match, okay? Pain in the butt, it's done. That's 2 pieces total, okay? That did that little thin piece here first, and then I did the outer perimeter around it second. Again, getting the seams to stick is very tedious. The handles, close to an hour each one, they are insanely difficult. You have to do the inside, you have to do the outside. You can't, this is PPF. Even with vinyl wrap, this is extremely difficult, okay? So these are extremely hard handles to wrap, even with vinyl wrap, never mind paper protection film. So I had to improvise here. The handles are 1, 2, 3 pieces. I think 3 pieces total, including the inside bit. Let's come around the back, okay? This is like my favorite part. The front and the back, the whole car is amazing. So let's go across here. Okay, all the bottom section right there, that's the lower stuff is carbon fiber, so we didn't wrap that obviously. But above that right there, that was all gloss black. That piece right here above the carbon fiber was gloss black. Here's the back end. It's pretty sexy. Looks really good on this car. I'm excited for the customer to see it. This already has a full PPF on it too. I forgot to mention that, but if you watch the first video, you're gonna see that's the PPF from what was done before. The job was okay, it could have been better, but it wasn't, I've seen much worse. So it was pretty good PPF job overall. So again, yeah, that piece down there is wrapped. This is 2 pieces total. As you can see, like you cannot stretch into that recess there. That's really too sharp of an angle. Coming across here, obviously the lower rocker panel, again, wrapped to match. Mirrors, we left carbon fiber. Obviously, the roof's carbon fiber. We left that as well. What was the thing? Oh, yeah. So customer asked for the reflectors to be left covered, okay? Whatever. They'll be fine. They're not subject to front end impact, so I'm not worried about it. There's the sensors wrapped separately, then tucked back in there, push back in there. There's PPF around it. So front emblem was removed. I was lucky enough to be able to get the camera off, I wasn't sure about that. I think the grill pieces are aftermarket, I think he said, because it looked like it was. Looks awesome with the carbon fiber though, looks really good. And that's it. Again, I wish I could really show you this thing outside. Let's just walk around a little bit further, from further back here. Just to give you a better total car view here. Yeah, it's sick. Check that out, man. Let me know what you think about this car, the color in the comments below. And this is an M3 Competition. This car is insane. I'd probably take this over a Lamborghini. He has a Lamborghini. I wrapped his Lamborghini Huracan in Colorfusion chalk gray last year or the year before. So he says he prefers this car. I don't blame him. It's super nice. Let's get the camera back on the tripod. All right, guys, let me know what you think about this color, Stealth Cosmic Blue, on the BMW M3 Competition. I think it looks fantastic. It turned out way better, in my opinion, than I even imagined. I thought it was going to be amazing, but it's actually even amazing plus. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out my website, ckwraps.com. And if you're looking for videos on YouTube, I have a members only section as well that are the videos from my website. So feel free to check that one out as well. Again, thank you for watching. I will keep you in the loop. I have lots of videos to actually put up. So I don't know if this is going to make it before the end of the year, probably not. I've been wrapping cars back to back since like August. So been super busy, but I have lots of videos to put up. So stay tuned for those. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching as always. I appreciate it. Take care.